Hi, I'm Ali, and welcome to Clear Skin and Wellbeing. So today I thought I would go through the benefits of aloe vera juice in my garden. It's a lovely morning here and it's lovely and warm, so I thought I would do some videoing out here. Before I do though, if you haven't subscribed before, please subscribe, please like and please share, and put a thumbs up. So aloe vera juice. Now I have been taking my aloe vera juice every morning, and the one I'm using at the moment is aloe vera juice. I think it's aloe pura, and I did buy this from my local Holland and Barrett not very long ago actually. I think it was buy one get one half price, so I thought I would take advantage, and I've got to say I love it. Now, aloe vera juice, there are many species of aloe vera juice, over 420, and you can actually do, dog, you can actually have aloe vera juice, have an aloe plant, and you can actually scrape the aloe vera juice off and make a juice for yourself with water. One word of warning though, not all aloe vera juices are the same and some may be actually toxic. So for me, I'd rather, instead of all the messing around and faffing around, I do tend to just use, just buy one with everything already in it. If you can get one which is organic, even better. Now, first of all, we'll go through the benefits. As you can see, I have dogs. So the benefits, it's full of antioxidants, it's anti-inflammatory, it's great for inside and out. Now, I love it for the digestive system. It's actually very cooling. And as you can see, it's summer, so it's pitta in Ayurveda. So we need to kind of balance things out. And so I like to use this particularly in the summer because it has a cooling effect on the system. As I say, it helps with digestion. Now, also, I tend to use this in the morning. You can obviously take it anytime, and you just need a small capful and put it into water. Now, I do tend to put in also some lemon juice, a squeeze of lemon juice with the aloe and the water, and I just drink it down fast. Not too fast, and you don't want the water too cold either, just lukewarm, just room temperature water, so the body is not actually having to fight about having to get it back into alignment with its own temperature. Now, when I do take it, I've got to say its aloe vera juice tastes disgusting. I personally don't like it at all, but there are ways around it. You can add it into smoothies and various other things, so you're not actually just tasting the aloe vera juice. It's not too strong, but I just personally don't like the taste, so I do add other things with it. Now, by taking it first thing in the morning, before, on an empty stomach, it just sets the system up ready for the day with the lemon juice. So I'd highly recommend it. Now, also, as I say, it's anti-inflammatory, it's antioxidant. You can also put it on the face and the hair, so you can put it externally as well as internally. Now, you can just get a piece of cotton wool, just dab it, and then just place it onto the skin. Particularly if you've got a little bit of sunburn or you have a cut, it's just really has a lovely cooling effect, particularly this time of year. So aloe vera juice, I'm loving it at the moment. As I say, particularly in the summer, in this pitta Ayurveda, Ayurvedic sort of time of year. And as I say, I use it with lemon juice and water first thing in the morning, and make sure the water's not too cold, just kind of body temperature. And as I say, it does set you up. So I hope you found this quite useful. Again, if you haven't subscribed, please like and please share. And I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.